Anna Kim is a name that has recently captivated audiences across two vastly different cultures, Pakistan and South Korea. As a star on Netflix's latest reality show, Super Rich in Korea, Kim has become a symbol of cross-cultural integration and an embodiment of the rich, complex tapestry that is modern identity. Born in Pakistan and raised in South Korea, Anna Kim's story is one of cultural duality, entrepreneurship, and breaking stereotypes. This narrative delves into her life, career, and the broader implications of her work as a cultural ambassador between Pakistan and South Korea. Anna Kim was born in Islamabad, Pakistan, on 7 March 1999. Her family moved to South Korea when she was just 5 years old, a transition that marked the beginning of her journey into a new cultural landscape. Her father, a businessman, and her mother, Amina Kim, who later became the honorary ambassador for the Republic of Korea at NUST and chairperson at Melting Pot, were instrumental in ensuring that Anna and her brother Ali received a robust education and were well integrated into Korean society. Despite being ethnically Pakistani, Anna Kim's upbringing was steeped in Korean culture. She attended a Korean elementary school, an international middle and high school, and later a Korean university. Her early years were marked by an assimilation into Korean norms, values, and lifestyle, to the extent that she identifies herself as fully Korean. Anna's schooling in Korea played a crucial role in shaping her identity. From learning the Korean language fluently to participating in traditional Korean activities, she was immersed in an environment that encouraged her to embrace her Korean side fully. Her fair skin, a feature often highlighted due to Korea's stringent beauty standards, helped her blend in more seamlessly, although she was always aware of the underlying prejudices against darker skin tones and foreigners. Her mother, Amina Kim, played a significant role in bridging the gap between Pakistani and Korean cultures for Anna. Amina was not only a figure of authority at NUST but also actively involved in community building through her NGO, Melting Pot. This dual influence of strong educational and cultural values from her mother and business acumen from her father provided Anna with a balanced upbringing, allowing her to navigate her dual identity with ease. Anna Kim's perception of Pakistan was initially shaped by global stereotypes and the negative portrayal of the country in international media. Like many who grew up outside Pakistan, she viewed it through a lens tainted by reports of terrorism, political instability, and economic challenges. However, this perception began to change when she returned to Pakistan to teach at NUM University in Islamabad. Teaching a course on the Korean language at NUM University was a turning point for Anna. It allowed her to engage with Pakistani students and understand their perspectives. This experience was eye-opening and helped her develop a more nuanced understanding of her cultural heritage. She realized that Pakistan was far more diverse and rich in culture than she had been led to believe. Integrating Pakistani and Korean cultures motivated by her newfound appreciation for Pakistan, Anna embarked on a mission to integrate the positive aspects of both cultures. She started various initiatives to alter the distorted image of Pakistan in South Korea, leveraging her unique position to promote cultural exchange and understanding. This included working closely with the Pakistani embassy in Seoul to highlight the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan and counter the negative stereotypes. Anna Kim's career trajectory is a testament to her entrepreneurial spirit and dedication to fostering cultural ties between Pakistan and South Korea. Before her rise to fame on Netflix, she worked at the Pakistan Embassy in Seoul, where she gained valuable insights into diplomatic relations and cultural promotion. Her experiences here laid the foundation for her later ventures in the business world. Anna is the founder and CEO of Anna Korean Beauty, Kim Production, and Kim Traders. Each of these enterprises reflects her commitment to creating synergies between Korean and Pakistani markets. Anna Korean Beauty, launched in 2023, This brand focuses on bringing authentic Korean beauty products to Pakistan. It aims to provide premium quality at affordable prices, tapping into the growing popularity of K-beauty trends in Pakistan. Kim Production. This production company has been instrumental in facilitating cultural exchange projects, including music videos and documentaries that showcase the positive aspects of Pakistan. Kim Traders, a comprehensive business solution provider, Kim Traders connects businesses with vendors and suppliers across real estate, commodities trading, and media production. The role on Super Rich in Korea. Managing the production logistics for the show was another significant challenge. From coordinating with local teams to ensuring timely arrivals and setups, Anna had to navigate the complexities of working in a different cultural context. She recounted instances where the local teams would arrive hours late, causing delays in the shooting schedule. Anna Kim's participation in Super Rich in Korea has had a profound impact on audiences in both South Korea and Pakistan. In Pakistan, the reactions were more mixed. While many celebrated her achievements and the positive light she shed on Pakistan, others were skeptical of the Super Rich label and questioned the portrayal of wealth on the show. Despite this, Anna remained steadfast in her mission to promote a positive image of Pakistan and bridge the cultural divide. Anna Kim has effectively positioned herself as a cross-cultural ambassador, working tirelessly to promote mutual understanding between Pakistan and South Korea. Her efforts extend beyond her businesses and television appearances, as she actively engages in initiatives that foster cultural exchange. One of Anna's primary goals has been to introduce Korean audiences to the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. She has organized numerous events and collaborations to showcase Pakistani fashion, music, and cuisine in Korea. These efforts have not only helped change perceptions but also opened up new avenues for cultural and economic collaboration. Conversely, Anna has also worked to bring Korean culture to Pakistan. Her ventures in the beauty industry are a prime example of this, as she aims to provide authentic Korean beauty products to Pakistani consumers. Additionally, her production company has been involved in projects that highlight Korean culture, further strengthening the cultural ties between the two countries. Anna Kim's personal life is as intriguing as her professional journey. Her marriage to Qamar Tiwana, a member of a prominent Pakistani family, added another layer to her already multifaceted identity. Despite initial misconceptions about her husband's background, Anna's relationship with Qamar has been a source of strength and support. Balancing her personal and professional life has been challenging, especially given the frequent travel between Pakistan and South Korea. However, Anna has managed to find a balance, often involving her family in her business ventures and cultural projects. Looking ahead, Anna Kim has ambitious plans for the future. She aims to expand her businesses further and continue her work as a cultural ambassador. Her upcoming projects include launching a new line of Korean beauty products in Pakistan and organizing cultural exchange programs between the two countries. Anna Kim's journey from Islamabad to Seoul and back to Islamabad is a remarkable story of cultural integration, entrepreneurship, and breaking stereotypes. Her work as a cross-cultural ambassador has had a significant impact on fostering mutual understanding between Pakistan and South Korea. As she continues to navigate her dual identity and expand her ventures, Anna remains a powerful example of how embracing one's heritage and bridging cultural divides can lead to profound personal and professional growth. In the end, Anna Kim is much more than a super rich individual. She is a beacon of cultural diplomacy, a successful entrepreneur, and an inspiration to many who navigate the complexities of multiple identities. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance, cultural pride, and the endless possibilities that arise when one dares to bridge worlds.